Alright, so they're finally going to start building on this piece of property. And you can see that one piling there. They're starting to drive pilings in the ground to put the foundation in it. And if you can see, let's see here. That's about a 60-foot piling. They're going to drive down into that ground. Big business, knocking in telephone poles like that. And this is where the road gets about 1.5 feet deep of water, so I don't know what they're going to be doing about that. But they got a whole bunch of poles on the ground they got to put in the ground here, so I'll catch you later. So here they are pounding that pole in. They've already got it about 20 feet in the ground already. Pretty crazy.